In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove two-factor authentication at ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log in. Head over to the ElevenLabs website and either log into your existing account or, if you don't have one yet, go ahead and register for an account. It's a straightforward process, so you shouldn't have any trouble getting set up. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. Look for your account profile, which you'll find located in the bottom left corner of the screen. It's typically represented by an icon or your avatar, depending on how you set up your profile. After you've clicked on your account profile, you'll see a menu with several options. From this list, go ahead and select and click on Profile. This will take you deeper into your account settings, where you can manage various features. Now, let's focus on the two-factor authentication, or 2FA, as it's often called. On your profile page, scroll through the options until you spot the two-factor authentication feature. This section is crucial for enhancing the security of your account, so make sure you're familiar with it. If you're looking to add two-factor authentication for the first time, you're in for a treat. Click on the option for two-factor authentication. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure you enter it accurately because this is how you'll receive the verification code. Once you've entered your number, hit the Submit button. After a moment, you should receive a text message containing your verification code. Grab your phone, check the message, and then enter that code back into the provided field on the screen. This step is essential, as it verifies that you have access to the phone you've registered. Once you input the code and confirm it, 2FA will be enabled on your account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for anyone else to access your information without your permission. Now, you may also be in a situation where you need to remove two-factor authentication for one reason or another. Perhaps you're switching phone numbers, or maybe you just wish to disable it for some time. No problem. You'll go back to the same settings we just navigated to. Locate the two-factor authentication option again within your profile. Simply click on it, and you should see an option to turn off or disable two-factor authentication. Confirm your choice, and just like that, you'll have removed the 2FA from your account. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're adding or removing two-factor authentication, the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Remember, adding 2FA is a great practice for keeping your account secure. If you haven't done it yet, I highly encourage you to enable it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more content.